Reduce customer churn because good customers are hard to find. There are many reasons to try to hang on to your good customers. Studies show it costs 6 to 10 times more to land a new customer than it does to retain an existing one. Improving retention increases customer lifetime value, which is really the business case justification for higher acquisition cost. Reducing attrition also improves your opportunity for growth as new customers become gains rather than replacements of old ones. A 5% increase in customer retention rates results in a 25 to 95% increase in profits. So the goal is obviously to keep your customers from lapsing. You don't want them to purchase products from another brand. For some retail goods or services, having them shop somewhere else could be harmful, but not deadly. If you lose a purchase, you may still be able to get them back. For bigger ticket items, however, you may have a window of sales opportunity once every few years. Losing that sale could be deadly. So an obvious question is, what's the definition of a lapsed customer? The answer is that it depends on your customer's normal purchase cycles. The customer is considered lapsed when they don't purchase in their normal buying cycle. They're at a risk of churn when it becomes evident they should be purchasing soon or should have recently but haven't yet. Normal purchase cycles can vary even within your own segments. Some segments purchase very frequently, others less often. So this really needs to be analyzed on a segment or even better, a personal level. Sophisticated data analytics practices, or AI, can interpret purchase patterns and point out those who appear to be at risk of churn. So here's an action step. If you don't have well-defined segments and don't know the frequency associated with the segments or individuals, this is a great place to start. We can help. Do you understand why your customers might be considering leaving? There's many reasons customers leave for competitors: poor customer experience, better offers or products, simply to name a few. Understand the reasons why your customers leave through surveying or other forms of evaluative feedback and address those in your messaging and approaches. The best time to target a customer is when they appear to be at risk of churn before they lapse. Data should be analyzed often. Last purchase and purchase intervals can be evaluated to determine who should be targeted and when. For some consumer goods or auto service, the analysis should be done very often, perhaps even weekly. For bigger ticket items like motorsports vehicles or cars, it can be done less frequently, but churn reduction and retention efforts should start well in advance of the predicted purchase date. Employ a multi-channel approach. Email can certainly be a primary tactic as it's low cost and customers respond well to email. Direct mail should be contemplated for high-value customers in conjunction with email. For mid-value customers, direct mail may be contemplated for those who don't respond to email or for those that you don't have a valid email address for. For more information, please visit printcom.com, or if you'd like to connect, please give us a call at 810-239-5763 or send an email to info@printcom.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.